Modus is an all-in-one camping system designed for solo campers. It's essentially a tent with a bunch of built-in features that combine the functionality of multiple pieces of camping gear. What tent? The core of the system is a tent, but it's your typical one. Crua emphasizes temperature regulation with their tent designs, so you should be comfortable regardless of the season. Sleeping bag. The Crua Modus has an integrated quilt that eliminates the need for a separate sleeping bag. Air mattress. An insulated and self-inflating mattress is built into the system for comfort and convenience. Hammock. The Modus can be configured as a hammock, offering a different way to relax or sleep off the ground. Porch. The tent can be set up in a way that creates a little porch area. Shoal Tent is a unique tent designed for camping on water. It's essentially an inflatable raft with a tent built on top, allowing you to sleep out on lakes, rivers, or other calm bodies of water. Inflatable design. The Shoal Tent is completely inflatable, with no tent poles required. This makes it easy to set up and take down. Floats on water. The base of the tent is a raft made of durable PVC material. This allows the tent to float on water and provide some buoyancy. Waterproof tent body. The tent body is made of waterproof fabric with a PVC coating, so you'll stay dry even in wet weather. Spacious interior. The tent is 8 feet by 8 feet and offers enough space for 3 to 4 people to sleep comfortably. Standing room. Alpcour Portable Sink is a self-contained, all-in-one hand-washing station that provides running water for you wherever you go. It's ideal for camping, outdoor events, work sites, or anywhere you don't have access to a permanent sink. 17L freshwater tank. This provides enough water for hand washing, dishes, or cleaning gear for multiple people. Foot pump dispenser. A hands-free foot pump dispenses water, eliminating the need to touch a faucet handle. Integrated soap dispenser. A built-in dispenser allows you to easily add soap for thorough hand washing. Drain hose. A drain hose lets you direct wastewater away from the sink area. Towel rack. A convenient rack keeps your hand towel handy. Basin with faucet. The sink features. Alpcour Portable Toilet is a popular choice for those who need a convenient and sanitary way to go to the bathroom when they don't have access to a regular toilet. It's designed for camping, boating, road trips, or any other situation where you might need a portable restroom. Compact and portable. The toilet folds up for easy transport and storage, and it includes a carrying bag. Durable construction. The toilet is made of high-density polyethylene, HDPE, plastic, which is strong and easy to clean. Piston pump flush. A powerful piston pump provides a flush that is comparable to a home toilet. Waste tank. The toilet has a waste tank that can hold multiple uses before needing to be emptied. A waste level indicator lets you know when it's time to empty. Gazelle T8 Hub Tent is a large tent designed for car camping or backyard use. It boasts of features that make it suitable for families or groups of up to 8 people. Here's what you should know about this tent. Spacious interior. The tent has 2 separate sleeping areas, each with a zippered privacy panel. This allows for more privacy and organization within the tent. With its high center clearance of 78 inches, you can move around comfortably inside the tent. Easy setup. The tent features a hub design that makes assembly fast and easy. It can be set up in about 90 seconds, according to Gazelle Tents. Weatherproof. The Gazelle T8 Hub Tent is made with a water-resistant shell and a bathtub floor to keep you dry in wet weather. An oversized rain fly is also included. FIRECAN DELUXE is a portable propane fire pit and grill made by INVENTIONS Outdoors. It's essentially a box made of stainless steel that functions as both a fire pit and a grill, dual function. The FIRECAN DELUXE can be used as a fire pit or a grill. It has a removable stainless steel insert and grilling grate that you can slide into the outer shell for grilling. Heat control. It has 2 propane valve connection ports, one that allows more gas into the FIRECAN while in fire pit mode, for a whopping 38,000 BTUs, and another that throttles the gas feed down for cooking. Portable and collapsible. The FIRECAN DELUXE has folding legs and a removable lid, making it easy to set up, transport, and store. Safe. Unlike traditional fire pits, the FIRECAN DELUXE is raised. Esperance Rooftop Tent is a compact, lightweight, and contemporary-looking hardshell rooftop tent made by ARB. It's a good option for those who want a rooftop tent that is easy to set up and pack down, and that offers good fuel efficiency due to its aerodynamic design. Compact design. When closed, the tent has a low profile that helps to minimize wind resistance and drag. Lightweight. It's one of the lighter rooftop tents on the market, making it easier to mount on your vehicle's roof rack. Quick and easy setup. The tent opens with the help of gas struts and can be set up in a matter of minutes. Comfortable sleeping. The tent has a comfortable king-size mattress and plenty of ventilation. Durable construction. The tent AroundFire is a company that makes portable fire pit tables that can also function as grills. Their goal is to create a product that allows people to have a campfire experience and cook outdoors easily. The AroundFire table is designed to be portable and easy to set up. It has folding legs and a removable fire pit insert. The table also comes with a grill grate that can be placed on top of the fire pit for cooking. 3-in-1 design. The AroundFire table can be used as a fire pit, a grill, or a table. Portable. The table folds up and comes with a carrying case for easy transport. Easy to set up. The table can be set up in a matter of minutes. Durable. The table is made from high